Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mr. Mindnet. Today's quick revision topic is Hazrat Usman bin Affan during Holy Prophet's life. The first paragraph is about his early life. He was born in Makkah 7 years after the year of elephant. That means he was 7 years younger than the Holy Prophet. His family belonged to Banu Umayyah. His name was Usman, while his kunyat or patronymic name was Abu Amr. His father was Affan bin Abul As. The title Ghani Holy Prophet gave him due to his generosity. His profession was trading. Next, he was the fourth Muslim. He was pious, modest and generous. He never sang and never wished evil. Next, his conversion. He saw Holy Prophet in his dream and told Hazrat Abu Bakr about this. Hazrat Abu Bakr took him to Holy Prophet, where he converted. His uncle persecuted him by wrapping him into a quilt and setting fire near his face. Smoke of the fire could not change him. He first married to Holy Prophet's second daughter, Hazrat Ruqayya, and after her death in 2 Hijrah, he married Prophet's third daughter, Hazrat Kulsum. By this, he got the title of Zun Norain, that is the possessor of 2 lights. His first migration was with Hazrat Ruqayya to Abyssinia, where they stayed for 6 years. Holy Prophet said, this was the first couple of this ummah to migrate in the way of Allah. His second hijrah was towards Medina. In Badr, his wife, Hazrat Ruqayya, was ill, so Holy Prophet ordered him to stay back. He participated in all other battles like Uhud, Trench, Khaybar, conquest of Makkah, Hunain and Tabuk. In Hudaybiyah, Holy Prophet sent him to Makkans as his ambassador. Makkans stopped him. Is written, a rumor spread that Hazrat Usman was murdered, which became the immediate cause of the Bait-e Rizwan. Next is financial services. He purchased a well-built room for 20,000 dirhams from a Jew and gifted to Muslim community. During the famine in Medina, he distributed huge food supplies for free. In Tabuk, he donated 900 camels, 200 gold coins, 1,000 dinars, which served 1/3 of the army. For this, Holy Prophet said, from this day on, nothing will harm Usman regardless of what he does. In addition, he served first 2 caliphs as a member of their council. He became the 3rd caliph of the Muslims. In addition, Hazrat Usman spent generously for the expansion of the mosque of the Prophet.